Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good, right? I have bought this product, guys. I want to show you today. This is the uh, how do you call it? The multimeter. Guys, I'm a technician. I have bought this multimeter. You can see, and it looks very nice. And as I can feel this, it's very good built in, guys, and very sleek, and it's tough, solid. And guys, this is not gentle, all right? This is not flexible. This is really I can feel it. This is massive. All right, guys, as you can see, it looks very good. Of course, it's a clamp. It's called Clamp Multimeter. Looking good. It has the display, looking good. There is two connector or terminal, whatever you want to call it. Here is the button to turn on or turn off. There is a select. You can select whatever you like, whether you want AC or DC, resistance or diode, anything you can measure. And this is the button for, as you can see, it has H and there is a kind of a bright. It means if you press this once, it will keep the value that you have measured, whether you measure AC volt or DC voltage, I don't know, diode, whatever it is. Let's say if you measured the resistance, and that you don't want to forget what was the resistance, you just, after you have measured the resistance of the resistor, you just press once, it will here remain the value of the resistance, guys. For instance, if you measure the voltage, DC voltage or AC voltage, and after that you don't want to forget, you just press once, and here you would see the remain, a kind of memory that you would see in the LCD panel, in the display. All right, as you can see, it has written auto power off. Of course, if you turn off or turn it on, that you forgot to turn it off, but it will turn it off itself. That's very good, and it's very handy, of course, and it's convenient, guys, and it doesn't cost much, and this is very good to use. All right, guys, as you can see, let's turn it on. I'm gonna press for 2 seconds. Did you see? You heard the beeping sound once. It's already in the auto state, in the auto position. All right, in this position you can measure anything. All right, it won't damage because it has now in the auto position. Even though it has in the auto position, you can select, there is the button, you can select whatever you want. Even for instance, you want you don't know if there is a AC voltage or there is a AC voltage present or not. You don't know. For instance, you press every time, for the example, this. All right, EF. If you want to know if there is a AC voltage or not, it's called non-contact AC tester, guys. As you can see, this position, you just go more closer you are to the AC, that it beeps more frequent. All right, the more you are back away, the beeps frequent is more less. All right, guys. So this is the non-contact, that you don't have to connect your the cable, the sorry, it's not necessary that you need to connect your probe in order to know if there is a AC or not. All right, for the example, I'm gonna turn it off. If you see, you saw already there was a blink of this, the light. As you can see that it has the probes that I'm gonna connect. As you know, it goes here, red to the red, black to the black. Of course, black, as we know, the black is always common, but in this case, in this this instrument, guys, these two probes always remain the permanent in the same place. All right, you just choose the whatever you want to measure from this the button. All right, and if you want to measure, you can measure. As you know, the name of this product is Clamp Multimeter. You just go insert, put your the one of the wire of the AC. You can measure the current. All right, guys, the current, ampere, this is it. All right, guys, and this is very easy to use, and as you can see, it looks very nice, and I have used it already. This kind of the multimeter that I have already had one, and as I told you, there is two batteries that I think the AAA batteries, and of course it's very good price. If you want to buy this product, I'm gonna leave the link of this product in the description below, that you can click, you can buy, and it doesn't cost much, and it's, of course, I recommended you guys. This is really the best idea to buy this. As you can see, it's handy and slick. All right, guys, so if you're really interested to buy, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. And if you like this video, guys, please give me thumbs up, and if you have something to say, anything to say, I don't know, whatever it is, just comment me in the description box below. And of course, please, guys, we will help each other, and please give me thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. And again, if you want to buy this product, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I forgot to show you that it has even the user manual, guys. You can read here all those the instruction, you will see here. Alright guys, this is not big deal. Everything is in here. Alright, so of course if you are measuring the voltage, it doesn't matter AC or DC, but not to exceed the more than 600 volt, guys. Keep it in mind. Alright, so thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Please give me thumbs up again and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so good luck guys. Peace.